guys, thank you so much for joining me today while I speed clean my kitchen. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. If you enjoyed this video, please click the red subscribe button below so you can join my family. It's pretty awesome and I would love to have you. If you're not already, please follow me over on Instagram at crystal_renee_lifestyle. That way we can keep up with each other in between YouTube videos.
Strong. I'll carry on with the fire left in me. You lifted me higher in my heartbeat, taking the fire out of me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire that's left in me. That's left in me.
Now that I have my island and countertops cleaned off, I needed to take care of my stovetop. As you'll see in just a second, I had made sausage and there was grease everywhere. So I'm using my Jaws kitchen cleaner and degreaser, which I swear by. I'm also going in with a little bit of my Mrs. Meyer's cream cleaner because there was some extra things on the stove that needed to be taken care of.
And I know what's left now, the sun and the stars, leaving me in the dark.
If you are brand new here, welcome again. I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Crystal and I love to post cleaning, organization, and lifestyle content. If that interests you, please don't forget, just click that subscribe button below. Also click the bell beside it and choose all, and that way you will get notified every single time I upload a new video. I am being a YouTuber rebel and I have not switched over to fall scents yet. So I am wiping down my island and countertops with my Mrs. Meyer's in the honeysuckle scent. I love it so much and I'm just not ready to let go of it. I'm not as picky about using everything that has to go exactly with the season, but I do plan to get some fall fragrances soon. 100% sure, but I think the honeysuckle is actually considered a spring scent. I can't remember, but let me know if you guys have switched over to everything fall. I did buy a few decor pieces, so I do plan to do a fall clean and decorate with me. It'll just be a few little things here or there because I'm kind of minimal like that, but I am curious to know, are you switched over to all fall cleaning products, decor, everything? Let me know.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear?
Even though this was a speed clean, I could not neglect my stainless steel on this day because they were looking pretty rough, so I whipped out my trusty Endust and got those knocked out.
To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life, sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here?
Do any of you have one of these roll-up drying racks? It is absolutely the best invention ever. It is so convenient, and sometimes I'll just leave it up because my husband will put his thermos or something like that on it after we wash it when he gets home from work. But it is just the most handy, convenient thing, and I love it so much. They have it on Amazon. I'm not sure if they sell them in other places, and I know you can get them in different colors. So I highly recommend getting one of these if you haven't already.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the
As I prepare to scrub out my sink, I just wanted to talk to you guys for a quick second and just say thank you 1,000 times. You have been so supportive and so positive in the comments that you leave me. You keep showing up for videos, you give me thumbs up, you give me helpful feedback, and that just means everything. It definitely helps my channel, but it means everything to me personally. So I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. Also, at the time I am recording this voiceover, I think I am 3 away from hitting 600 subscribers. And I know that is such a small number when you look at bigger YouTubers, but to me it's huge and I am just thankful. So that's all I wanted to say, was just thank you so much.
It's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start. What we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start. What we were, like we're still
guys, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you're up to, because I always want to know what you're doing. I don't know why I find that so satisfying, but I care about you and I like knowing what you're up to while you're watching my videos. Also, if you're new, introduce yourself because I love to meet you, and also let me know what you're up to.
You know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely, you know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely, you know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely.
There is nothing like a clean kitchen, and mine finally is. So I just wanted to give you a once over while reminding you to please subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I appreciate your time more than you know. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourselves and your families. If any of you are in the path of the hurricane, please be safe. Take care of yourselves and your families. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.